Welcome to our FlexTech tutorial on identifying the connectors for the PRPC. Support engineer Brian Elsie is here today to help explain the different connections. We also added some different fuses for this example.
First, we're going to start off talking about the connectors on the PRPC. Connector J18 contains 6 of the PRPC's 11 fused output pins. These fused output pins are connected to 4 configurable relay outputs. Each relay output is capable of 15 amps maximum. The placement of fuse 3 will determine whether that output is active high or active low. You can see on the board there's a positive and a negative. If it's up here on the positive, it's going to be sending out a 12 volt signal. If it's on the negative, it'll be sending out a ground output. Configurable relay 4 is shared by fuses 4A, B, and C, and when added together, the sum of these fuses must not exceed 20 amps. And when one fuse is energized, all 3 will have power. The second connector we'll be talking about is connector J17. This also has 5 fused output pins. They're connected to 4 configurable relay outputs. Each relay output is also capable of 15 amps maximum, and the configurable relay output 5 is shared by fuses 5A and 5B, and the maximum you can do on these two are 20 amps. Fuse number 6 is also configurable, or as you can place the fuse in the lower part for a ground signal and the upper one for a 12 volt output. The combined maximum current rating between J18 and J17 is going to be 65 amps. Next connector is connector J4. This contains the PRPC's 8 low current output LCO pins. Each output is rated at half an amp and is intended to drive relay coils or other low current loads. Note that pin 8 of the 8 outputs is active low ground, while the rest are active high, which is 12 volt. The next connector is J3, and this contains the PRPC's 12 discrete wire inputs. There are 3 configurable active high-low inputs, which can be configured using the FlexTech user interface, 7 active low inputs, 1 analog input, and 1 dedicated ignition input. These inputs have their own internal pull-up, pull-down resistors, so they can be left floating when not used or not active. These inputs can be used as part of the programmable logic to configure the output pins.
Well, that's it, and we hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching our FlexTech tutorial on identifying connectors for the PRPC. For more information, including instructions and CAD drawings, visit www.intermotive.net or call 1-800-969-6080. Thanks!